If you want to publish a game on itch.io, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from logging in to hitting publish. Whether you're uploading your very first indie game, a demo, or a finished project, itch.io makes it easy to get your game online and ready for players. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to itch.io and log into your account. If you already have an account, just sign in with your email or connected login method. Once you're inside, you'll want to head to the dashboard from the top of the page. The dashboard is where you manage all of your projects, uploads, and settings, so this is where the publishing process begins. On the dashboard, look for the option to create a new project. Click that to open a fresh project page. This is where you'll enter all the important information for your game. Start by adding your game title. Make sure the title is clear and easy to recognize because this is what players will see first. Next, fill in the details for your project. Add a description that explains what your game is about, what kind of experience players should expect, and any important notes they should know before downloading or playing. This is also a good place to include updates, features, controls, or system requirements if needed. After that, upload your game file. Depending on the type of game you're publishing, this could be a zip file, executable, HTML build, or another supported format. Double-check that your file is complete and working before uploading, because this is the version players will download or run from your itch.io page. Once your file is uploaded, you'll need to set the price or choose free. If you want people to download it without paying, set it as free. If you want to charge for your game, enter the price that makes sense for your project. Itch.io also gives you flexibility, so you can experiment with payment options depending on your goals. Now continue filling out all the remaining details on the page. This can include cover images, tags, genre information, and any other project settings that help your game look polished and easier to find. The more complete your page is, the better it will look to players browsing the platform. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the title is correct, the description is clear, the file is uploaded properly, and the pricing settings are exactly how you want them. This is the best time to catch any mistakes before your game goes live. When everything looks good, click Save and then publish the game. Once you publish, your itch.io project will be live and visible to others, depending on your privacy and visibility settings. At that point, players can visit your page, learn more about your game, and download or play it if available. And that's it! You've successfully published your game on itch.io. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and now you can start sharing your game with the world. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.